beautiful. You see the horns we've just spoken about.
There's another right there. Look at faces.
It's definitely a male.
But it was very dry, and a lot of them died. But they've regained that condition now and looking very good again, thanks to the good rain in February. And he's quite relaxed. So you go forward a bit so you can get him in the gap.
Yeah.
Just often you say they're quite shy and they'll probably run away. Yeah, yeah. This one's got nice horns, eh? Gee, he was.
Wow.
See how the ears are focused back, picking up on the sounds of the vehicle and our voices.
Mm-hmm. Right. Those horns are nice.
Also,
This is about as green as I've seen this part.
really? It's looking good, eh? This is still from the good rain in February last year.
Huh.
It stayed nice and green. Brilliant animal, this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a good chance we see more now. If anyone gets thirsty on the stage, let me know. Stop even before sundown. It's really hot.
Yeah.
Just let me know. I can just hand you something off the ground.
Yeah, maybe in a couple of minutes we could have a drink.
Just give me a shot.
Or a lion. If it's going on the elephant traps.
They do fantastic work. They break down that elephant dung and turn nutrients to the soil.
Oh, you need so much. So they can't feed. Can't feed, so I'll be really good.
Do they fly?
Yes, very well.
I thought I saw.
Oh, yeah.
In the wrong position from the wind. That's what they guide with the back, push with the front. Strong, eh, to get it there?
Yeah.
And then they'll just roll down the other side. Yeah.
That's incredible.
It is, yeah. It just shows that everything has a function.
Yeah.
Everything works together. This waterhole's been quite productive lately. It's strange. It's the most common in the area is the lilac-breasted. This is a visitor from parts of Europe, Spain, Portugal, and the Mediterranean. It comes for our summer.
To make the journey.
It's estimated that they travel, some of the birds anyway, travel about 200 to 300 kilometers a day, which enables them to cover a distance of about 10,000 kilometers in about 6 weeks. So it's quite a distance.
I want to come sit.
Yeah, yo, listen.
Oh wow. It's a win.
Yeah.
Travis is likely to be lying around anywhere close since this earth seems to be comfortable right here. See the wildebeest in the
Crowned
distance running
plovers.
in the distance.
Lots of them out there, huh?
Yeah.
The youngster.
Quite a few youngsters.
Yeah, it's been such a good season. Breeding percentages were quite high. I already see the horn buds developing around 2 to 3 months.
Mm-hmm.